This is an audio-visual representation of a study published in the Journal of Bone and Joint Surgery in 2021. Heavy lifting can lead to distal biceps tendon ruptures that can require surgical intervention. Such injuries are commonly observed in working-age individuals. While cortical button fixation provides high biomechanical repair strength and allows faster recovery, the required duration of immobilization following this procedure remains unclear. In a parallel-arm randomized controlled trial, researchers from Canada attempted to answer this question. 109 men undergoing cortical button fixation for distal biceps tendon ruptures were divided into splinted and unsplinted groups. The groups were then compared in terms of functional outcomes and tendon integrity at different time points. The researchers found that the time taken for return to work was similar in both groups. The two groups also showed comparable levels of pain, strength, and active range of motion, as well as similar tendon integrity, with full-thickness re-tears observed in only 2 participants, 1 from each group. As expected, the health-related quality of life was better in the unsplinted group, indicating that symptom-based self-weaning improves patient well-being. The results of this study indicate that early active motion after cortical button fixation for distal biceps tendon repair is safe and well-tolerated and does not delay return to work. Patients can therefore avoid unnecessary discomfort by discontinuing splint use according to their symptoms.